I enjoy the fact that I don't have to spend all of my time in an office writing and reading, that a lot of my time is also spent out in the environment and experiencing different natural systems, but also working with the community to try to find ways that we can use some of the tools that we have with geography and some of the theories and apply that for management of habitat. And one of the more recent projects that I worked on was with a large group of different interests to try to conserve a multitude of different plant and animal species within a very large region within San Diego County. And so one of the things that I was doing with my research was using remotely sensed imagery and geographic information systems to try to figure out fractions of vegetation habitat that were available for different types of rare, threatened, and endangered species. And I was particularly focusing on invasive non-native grasses that have expanded due to increased fire frequency within Southern California region. So we've recently acquired a field spectrometer for use in the field, and that allows us to gain reflectance information from different targets on the landscape. That could be trees or individual plants. It could be materials like asphalt or materials on a roof. And so one of the things that I'm interested in developing is a spectral library of different vegetation types within some of the ecoregions within New Mexico. I teach classes in physical geography and in geographic information, or topics of biogeography, geomorphology, and using some of the current geographic tools and techniques we have, like remotely sensed imagery and geographic information systems, to apply to looking at the landscape. That's one of the things that I enjoy most, is taking graduate students out into the field and teaching them how to use all of these different methods and tools that we have at our fingertips. So learning about in situ remote sensing and learning about vegetation sampling and different types of ecosystems and species that are of interest, getting outside and then bringing that data back in from the field and uploading into geographic information systems and being able to do analysis with that data is a gratifying experience, and I think a lot of graduate students feel the same way.